Welcome to Mr. D's challenge. The winner will receive a prize of $1 million.
I will win that money.
That money will be mine.
No, it's mine.
Are you ready? No one will win $1 million. I'll set extremely tough challenges that no one has overcome.
I will go first. Oh no, who set the saw trap here? That's a terrifying saw blade on the tracks.
How to set up the saw trap. The saw blade. Install the saw blade. Install the motor. Connect to the battery box. Testing.
I will overcome this challenge.
It's my turn.
The broken bridge trap.
What? It's a trap.
The slime hill trap. Slime.
Nobody can escape from my traps. No way.
Please forgive me.
Parking area.
Please move to the second floor.
The bridge is down.
Please proceed. Maintain a safe speed. Thank you for your cooperation. Use your parking pass for entry.
The bridge is about to be lowered. Please wait. Caution. Oh
Help me.
That's hurt.
no. It's my fault. I'll fix it right now. How to build the movable bridge. Step 1. Build the support bar. Part 2. Step 2. Connect Part 1 plus Part 2 of support bar. Step 3. Build the main pillar. Step 4. Connect support bar plus main pillar. Connect. Step 5. Testing. Please wait until the bridge is fully down. Please maintain a safe speed. Slow down and ensure safety.
I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Terrible. Someone has to upgrade this movable bridge.
Add the bridge. Add the engine. How does it work? Ramp access here. Ramp exit here. Please use the empty spaces for parking.
A few moments later.
Let's come back home. Hey, caution.
Stop.
Tickets are currently being verified. All clear. Have a nice day.
In Smiling Critter's world.
I want to play the grabber machine.
Me too.
Let's see who get there first.
First come, first served.
Let's race again.
The obstacle course race. The racetrack is fraught with numerous obstacles, presenting challenges for both cars. Let's start. The dog day car is leading. Oh no, the catnap car crashed, but it can get up and continue. The catnap car is marvelous.
I'll win.
Passed.
Loser.
Oh no, the dog day car is struggling to move forward. Keep going. Keep going.
What's wrong? I won't give up.
How to build a climbing car. Upgrade the dog day car to the hoppy hopscotch car. Split the car in half. Increase the power of the car. Connect. Testing. Add the hoppy hopscotch head.
I'll be there to win.
The hoppy hopscotch car started participating in the race.
Come on, come on. I came back. You arrived first. You choose the next stage.
The sawdust stage. This stage is shorter, so I'll finish first.
Sawdust. I will pass the sawdust easily.
Oh no, my car is stuck.
Give it up.
Come on.
Meanwhile,
Or bees. Can the hoppy hopscotch car pass?
I will overcome this.
Unbelievable! The hoppy hopscotch car passed the Orbeez hole. Meanwhile, the catnap car is still stuck on Sawdust Road.
I shouldn't have chosen this stage.
I did it.
It's just because you got lucky.
I want to have a lot of teddy bears.
Let's go back. Next time, I'll win.
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Hand. Today I will decor my bedroom to make it become more interesting. I'll combine my bed and my fish tank together. Guess what I'll get? Let's start. The aquarium bed. Step 1. Put glass tank into the bed frame. Add water. Add fish. More water. Look at my aquarium bed. It's great, but it's not done yet. Now I will complete it. Step 2. Build the bed frame. Step 3. Build the bed surface. Last step. Complete building. My aquarium bed is done. Let's decor my room. So I completed my aquarium bed. Like and comment below which I should do in the next video. Bye-bye. Long ago, two mighty cities clashed in a fierce battle for supremacy.
You cannot hold out much longer. Back at full force.
We will end the battle soon.
No mercy for the invaders.
Prepare to meet your fate.
Victory or death.
Fire the artillery. Someone help me.
I can't see.
Help! We will have our revenge.
How to build a retractable bridge. Step 1. Build the bridge column. Step 2. Build the bridge deck. Step 3. Install the engine. How a retractable bridge works.
Let's get started. Are you ready to fight? Charge into the fray. Attack now. Surrender or face our wrath. You shall not prevail. To our brethren. Follow me to victory, my warriors. Fight for a homeland. Let's fight. Retreat while you still can. Let's show them the strength. Break their ranks.
Forward for glory and victory.
You're under fire. Let's go! No obstacle can stand in our way. Victory is ours.
Brick and donuts.
This is the third donut shop we've tried today, honey. It's very famous for serving fresh, hot donuts right away. Wow, look how they decorated on.
Yeah, the decor's really nice. And they've got lots of snacks too.
Oh, wow.
Wait, where are those hot, fresh donuts then? What? They're gonna serve us these old, cold donuts? Such a liar. Nothing like what they said.
Unbelievable. I'll them 1 star for this.
Wait a minute. Let me make you to a fresh batch. I promise these special donuts will be hot and fresh.
Then what are you waiting for? Hurry up.
Inside the Brick and Donuts kitchen.
Step 1. Mix and shape the dough.
First, flour and raw egg are the key ingredients to make our donuts. They will be poured into the dough mixer and then formed into perfect donut rings by the extruder. Now, the mixer pushes out the perfect donut rings and lets them rest for a few minutes to hold their shape. After this, they'll be placed one by one onto the conveyor belt to move on to fermentation and frying.
Step 2. Ferment the dough.
Here in the main bakery zone, the raw donuts move onto the proofer machine. Here, the raw donuts rest and start rising in a warm environment until they reach full size, while being carried toward the fryer.
Step 3. Fry the donuts.
At this step, the donuts are fried on a long conveyor filled with hot oil. In the middle, donuts meet the rotating arm, where they're flipped to make sure both sides are evenly golden fried. Now the donuts are cooled down to prepare for glazing.
How to build the frying conveyor. First, I'll build the gear frame module. It includes 2 gear sets. Then, place it onto the 2 frames. Add the axle and other gear. Add the donut entry ramp. Wood dowels?
Step 4. Glaze the donuts.
A tray filled with hot chocolate is waiting. As soon as the donuts arrive, it tilts down to pour warm chocolate over them. While the chocolate's still warm, colourful sprinkles are also added on top to make the donuts look prettier and taste better.
Now the hot donuts are done.
Wow, a buffet of hot donuts.
They look amazing.
This is truly donut heaven.
Whoa! Hope you two are happy with these now.
More than happy. I'll rate 5 stars.
Yeah, you nailed it this time.
Hot donuts, please.
Fresh ones for me.
Me too, hurry.